Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something simple in terms of cleaning because I don't want to dive into huge projects right now because I'm going to take Ashley out for her last lunch today before she goes to kindergarten, and because I've got myself dressed and makeup on and I just don't feel like deep cleaning today. I'm going to deep clean a lot here in the house while the kids are in school. But for now, I'm not going to deep clean. What I am going to do is declutter a few small areas in the house, and I'm going to show you what those are really quick. So we're going to start here in the kitchen. I'm going to show you a few areas. I've got this little bucket here, and it's just got junk in it. I keep tossing stuff down in there, and then I need to put these away. That's not part of it. And then I've got this little junk drawer that I need to quickly declutter. I got lazy at the end of the summer and just kept tossing things in there. And then I'll show you the other area. Okay, so next we're in the bathroom. Doesn't look like a mess, but there's just way too many magazines in there. So I need to go through that and recycle those magazines. That is my alma mater right there, Utah State. So I'm going to work on that area. And then I'm going to work on this little box that I made here in my bathroom. It's just, this bucket mainly has just gotten junked. So we're going to organize that a little bit. Got some extra things over there that need to get put away. It's just too full. I can't even put the brushes away in it. Obviously, scissors don't belong in here. So we're going to organize this area. Then in my laundry room, I've got socks that I need to put up into my sock bins. I don't have laundry right now, so I wasn't going to include that in a laundry video for a while, and I need to get them put away. But look at this, you guys. These socks, 20 pairs, normally $10, still a good deal. But they were $7 on clearance at Target. And there was another 20% off clearance, and so I got these for $5.40. 20 pairs of socks for $5. That's incredible. So I got one pack for my 8-year-old, and then the other one is for my 5-year-old. And luckily they put, let me just see if I can, luckily they put the size. So there's a small for my 5-year-old, and then this one has a medium. So I was going to have to stitch their size on there, but they did it for me. So I just need to find room. You can see up here in these buckets, I need to sort through her socks in this bucket right here and make room, as well as this one. So we'll do that. Okay, so then this is the last area that I'm going to do today. These shoes are the bane of our existence, and it's ironic because we own a shoe store. So we are working on getting a unit to go in here to make better organization, but I'm having someone make it for me, so we have to wait. And in the meantime, there's not enough room for shoes. So before I can get a chance to actually go through the sizes and declutter them, I just need to be able to find places for them for now. So we're going to work on that area too. Okay, so I'm not going to film me cleaning each of these areas because it's really hard to set up filming in all these little teeny tiny areas. It's part of the reason why you haven't seen me cleaning these areas the whole time, except for the shoe area, just because they're small areas and it's hard to do that. So I'm going to go and clean those areas really quick, and then I'll show you what they look like when we're all done. Okay, I forgot one more area I'm going to show you. I've got this drawer that I normally keep their lunch boxes in. I'll do it here, right here. These are all the straps that go with all those lunch boxes that we never use. And they don't all fit, because now we have to have, oh, there's actually a secret stash. This is her lunchbox for school tomorrow, and she's got her little stuff set out for her. But we actually need to keep like 5 lunch boxes down here now, and I don't have room for them. So I'm going to clear this area out and put, I have an idea. So if you look in this cupboard up here, I have all my cups up here. I do jars for our cups, and Ashley has a hard time reaching them, and she's in charge of doing the dishwasher. So I thought that I would take them and put them down below, especially like these ones, because they're perfect for the drawer. They're nice and short. And then she can reach them better. And then these guys just go on the They just go on this little rack that I have here, so that's easy for her to reach up there and get. So I think I'm just gonna line this drawer with the jars, and then I'm gonna take the lunch boxes and I'm gonna put them in the pantry. We'll just go over here and do this. I think I'm gonna do a bucket in the corner over here to put the lunch boxes in, and we'll move all of this stuff this way. Then they can just put the lunch boxes in there when they get home from school, and then they can easily grab them out when they get their lunch packed in the morning. So let's go do that. Okay, so we're gonna start in the kitchen. This little area was not hard at all. And my friend gave me these cute flowers yesterday, so I thought I would set those right there. Then we'll move to the drawer right here. Jason actually did this one for me. This is just a prescription that I need the refill number on. And then the pencils and just extra stuff here in the kitchen that's nice. And these are just trinkets the kids make at school or they buy that are special that they like me to keep. This is like a faucet thing to make it into a drinking fountain. Just put that on their faucet. So that's all organized nicely, thanks to Jason. Whoops. And then I'll come over here we'll show you up here. We kind of did this already on camera. There's the cupboard up there, and I probably will have plans for that another time. And then the drawer. Oh, Ashley, you want to show us the drawer that you get to put your dishes in? Is that easier for you? It is, huh? So what I think I'm gonna do, I like these little, here, let me turn this off so you can see it better. So I have this little dish drying mat here, and I use it in the laundry room as well. So I think I'm gonna get 1 or 2 of those to put into the drawer so that they're not so clanky and they don't break as she's kind of setting them in there. But for now that works, right, Ashley?
Yeah.
But you have to be careful with them, right? So let's go check the rest of the stuff out. All right, so I've got the lunch boxes in here. I've got a bucket on the shelf. There's only Dad's lunch box and Ashley's lunch box so far because the other kids are at school. So they'll get home and they'll be able to put 2 more in here and then 1 more on top. And then that's just a little bit more organized. Moving into the bathroom, I actually use this little holder. It's supposed to be for like hot irons and flat irons and whatnot, but I put my brushes in there. And then we kind of organize the bucket here. And I got toothpaste and my brace elastics and picks. And then these are elastics for Ashley's hair. And the toothbrush holders. And this is her hair ties and bows. And then this is just more for decoration. And this is like one of those head massagers. And I have I guess it looks like that. That's a head massager. So that's all set right there. And then we did a declutter of the magazines here in the corner, and let's go in the laundry room. All right, not much special in here. We just put the socks away, and that bucket over there in the corner is all the extra socks that haven't been matched up. I went through those as well, and there's quite literally like 4 socks that don't have matches. So I'm gonna have my kids go through their drawers one more time, and then I'll throw those ones away if we don't find those matches. But otherwise, we've got the laundry room all set. It's actually doing a load of laundry. And the sock bins are up here. Oh, the sun. So the sock bins are all ready to go for school. They have all the right sizes. Sorry, that sun right behind it is hard. So all their socks are ready to go, and they just grab their bucket and it's all set. All right, so we got our shoes all put away. Right, Ashley? I will declutter the shoes another day. Got to take out all the flip-flops, but Ashley got them all put away so that they're at least not on the floor. Thank you, Ashley. All right, Ashley, is it time to go to lunch now that we did our chores? Can you tell everyone thank you for coming?
Thank you for coming.
And
You will have fun helping school out here and bye.
okay. All right, you guys, that is it. You saw Ashley in our last little area there, and we're all ready to go. We've done our chores. Those little areas seem insignificant in terms of getting them all cleaned up, but it was causing me a lot of stress. The lunch boxes weren't fitting in the drawer, so then the first 2 days of school, the kids were stressed putting them away, and then they couldn't find things in the bathroom when they were trying to get their hair done. Everything kind of snowballs, and so I wanted to get it all cleaned up and ready to go for school. So tomorrow is my first official day of having all 4 of my kids in school. So now I feel better about kind of our process and what we need to do and our routines that start all over again after the summertime. So that's what having a clean home does for me. It helps me feel calm and collected as I do my normal routine. And I hope that it helps you as well. Stick around by subscribing, coming back for more, and we'll see you later. Take care, guys. Bye.